This is the MowMaster R22G. It's just arrived today from MowMaster. Thank you very much to MowMaster for this. This is just an utter surprise. I've been developing this with MowMaster. MowMaster did all the developing. My part of the development was, can I have it in black? So that was about it. You can get all black Lawnporn MowMasters from MowMaster. So fantastic. So with all MowMasters, they come in a crate. So when you order one up, it takes a couple of weeks because they make them to order. They do have a little bit of stock, I believe, but usually they're made to order because customers can be very, you know, it's a very personal thing. They might want certain things. This is going to be a fun video. I'm not into unboxings because I'm always awkward with them. So, wow. All I can say is wow already. So it comes very, very nicely packed. When in doubt, grab a hammer. Now there's a bit of a string here, so I might just see if I've got something that I can cut that with. Cut that. There we go. That was holding onto a handle. I used to have the R22W, and that's really seriously a fantastic mower. It's 8 blade. It's 22 inches wide, you know, 110 kilo, and that's plenty mower for me. But you know, I did say I wanted a grooved front roller just for a bit better control, and you know, I'd love a 10 blade. I'd like to get the lawn down to a putting height, so they've got those, and they've also got a teasing brush, which we'll get to in a minute. Oops. And this is why I don't do unboxings, because I'm just completely awkward with them. All right. So you don't have to send the crate back or anything. I've been asked that a few times. Here we go, a beautiful black catcher. Some instructions in there. A Heidi cut bar. Thank you very much. Nice Heidi cut bar too. Very handy to have. Some instructions, and I can see a Lawnporn sticker in there as well. Some extra MowMaster stickers. Might put that on the trite, no? No? Oh, why not? So yeah, instructions, and looks like we've got a couple extra Lawnporn stickers in there. So I might put one on the front of my... That's really, really nice. You can bump into everything and it's not going to dent. The hooks are nicely attached to it. Fantastic. How about I just do that? There you go. I might need to get some ramps to ramp it down. I didn't place it too well because this is in the way now. Have a look at that though. Groove front roller. Teasing brushes there, 10 blades. Just looks really well done. All right. Gonna have to move this. All right, I'm gonna go get some ramps from the car. I'm going to tilt this up. Can you kick them up a bit when I do? Because they're not flush. That's it. Perfect. Thank you. Here we go. Beauty. Just moved a few things out the way. And there it is. The black Lawnporn MowMaster. It is a beauty. Okay, so I'll just go over it. It's very, very similar to the R22W. However, there's a groove front roller. I don't know how well you can see that. You might have to do a low shot there. No worries. Now, it might also be really hard to see. If I tip the mower up, you'll see that there's a teasing brush under there. And that's set at 10mm at the moment from the factory. 10 blade reel, grooved roller, teasing brush, they're the main differences. And look, Luke was saying it looks tougher. I reckon it does. I like this square design here. The throttle's just here at the front, so that's a nice feature. You can just change it on the fly. Handles are brilliant. I love this, as you know. This goes from 2.5 mils to 19 mils on here. And yeah, looks an absolute beauty. So I'm not going to start it up today, it's only a preview. But yeah, Lawnporn MowMaster. It's got a Honda GX120. This shows your height. Look at the quality of it. It's just magnificent. 10 blade reel, height adjuster. As I said, with the controls, it's all at your fingertips. It definitely looks tougher. At the back here, you got the split roller. Just flip that around this way so you can see it better. Split roller. She's a little bit dusty. She was in that warehouse for over a week. There was a bit of a confusion, but she's here now. I'll give it a clean up. So yeah, there it is. Very, very nice indeed. Should I give it a start up? Nah, I'll wait for the front. Like I said, this is only a preview of the MowMaster R22G. Thank you very much, MowMaster. It's just a very, very nice thing to send to me. Much appreciated for that support. We'll have more videos of this in the future. Get your lawn on.